how to set up Google Analytics as a beginner. Hi guys, good day and welcome to the channel. So for today's video, I will show you how to set up Google Analytics for beginners and install on your website in just 3 easy steps. But before anything else, let me first give you a brief background about Google Analytics. So Google Analytics is a web analytics service that provides statistics and basic analytical tools for search engine optimization or SEO and marketing purposes as well. This service is part of the Google Marketing Platform and is available for free to anyone with a Google account. So at the end of this video, you'll have a Google Analytics set up on your website, and you can start seeing some information like how many visitors are visiting your website, and if you are promoting your website from different social media platforms, like for example, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, or other platforms, you will also know if where your visitor is coming from, like from Google search, from Facebook, Instagram, or other website or social media. With this, you will know if where to focus, like what social media platforms that works well for your business and for your audience so that you can focus on that. So without further ado, let's dive in. So to get started, step one, we need to first create an account. So visit google.com/analytics, and this is the main homepage. And here, just click on Get Started to sign up. And you can sign up with your Google account, that account you use to access other Google products like Chrome, Gmail, Google Calendar, or YouTube. If you don't have a Google account, then no worries. You can simply create a Google account here for free. So let me just log in here since I already signed up in this platform. So once you sign up, you'll be prompted to this welcome page and short information that Google Analytics gives you the free tools you need to analyze data for your business in one place so you can make smarter decisions. So here you just need to provide your business complete information. Then Google will get the insight from your business and connect your insight to Google advertising and publisher products so that you can make use of your insight to deliver business result. So to start with, click Start Measuring, and here complete your account setup by providing first the account name, then set up your account data sharing settings. So data you collect, process, and store using Google Analytics is secure and kept confidential. This data is used to maintain and protect the Google Analytics service to perform system critical operations and in rare exceptions for legal reasons as described in their privacy policy. The data sharing options give you more control over sharing your Google Analytics data. So let's check everything here. Includes this one: Google products and services, benchmarking, technical support, account specialist, and click on the next. And here we need to set up properties. A property represents a business or app data. An account can contain one or more properties. So let me just add my first property name here. Then set up your reporting time zone and pick your currency. And no worries guys, because you can still edit this property later on if you like in your admin dashboard. So just click next after. And lastly, we need to provide our business information by answering the following questions here. First, your industry type. Just choose one here. Then your business size. And lastly, how do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business? Click all that applies. So here you can select all that you want to get from these tools. So I will just select here, measure customer engagement with my site or app, then optimize my advertising cost, increase my conversion, and lastly, measure lead generation. And once done, just click create. Then you'll be prompted here for Google Analytics Terms of Service Agreement. So just read the Terms of Service and then check this box to agree and accept it. And then just scroll down. Also read this Google Measurement Controller Data Protection Terms, and check this box to agree and accept it. Then click the I accept button. Then a new page here for email communication appear. Here is where you can allow Google Analytics to send emails to update you on what's new with Google Analytics. So below are the information that you want to be updated. I will just select this performance suggestions and updates for me to receive updates and tips that help you get the most out of your Google Analytics, and also feature announcement to learn about the latest changes, enhancement, and new features in Google Analytics. Then save it. And once done, you'll be prompted here in your admin dashboard. So this is now our Google Analytics admin dashboard. So we completed the first step to set up the account. Now the second step is to connect our website here in Google Analytics. So from the home dashboard, you will see this one, start collecting data for your website or app. So just choose if you want to collect data from website or Android app or iOS app. So for today's tutorial, I will just select the web, and here just provide the website URL of your website and then name this stream. This stream will measure your page views, scrolls, outbound clicks, site search, video engagement, and file downloads. So once done, just click on Create Stream. And here are our stream details now. So you have your measurement ID and stream ID as well over here. So in order to start collecting data and see reports in Google Analytics, we need to first add the analytics tag to our website. So there's a tagging instruction here for us to follow and easily install this tracking code or tag to our website. So for example, just copy this site tag or code into your head section of your HTML. But if you are using a website builder, like for example, Wix, GoDaddy.com, Shopify, or any other website builder, then you can just simply tag your website by following the instruction over here. Just click this highlighted text and follow the step-by-step instruction here. So just choose what website builder you use for instruction, because different website builder has a different instruction as well to install or to add the tags in your website. And once you connected your website, you can start seeing some information. So going back to your home dashboard, here in your home dashboard, you will see how many visitors visiting your website every day, and also see if visitors come from Google, Facebook, Instagram, or any other social media platforms or website, and also which country your visitor is from and what device they are using in visiting your website. And this information that Google Analytics collected from your website can be used in your marketing. Like for example, when you create your marketing ads, you can identify if what social media platforms to focus on that work the best for your business and for your audience, and if what kind of audience you will be targeting, and in what country you must focus on, and more. So this tool is really helpful for your business, especially for small businesses who just started, because this tool is just for free for Google users. So you also have your reports tab here where you can see some reports if you like to see more of your reporting. And you also have your advertising tab here. So I guess that's all for today's tutorial about how to set up Google Analytics for beginners. So I hope that you learned something from this video. And if you have any question, guys, just comment down below. And thank you so much for watching.